Multiple choice. What do you wear when a day could be cold, wet, windy, or all of the above? Our new women's Pine Bank 3-in-1 parka has all the answers, thanks to 2 layers that work together and separately. Because both jackets are fitted with multiple pockets, full zipper closures, and a durable water-repellent finish, they can each go it alone in mellower conditions. And they have also all been made without PFCs, also known as PFAS or forever chemicals. And that includes the fabrics and durable water-repellent finish. On warmer, wet days, try the seam-taped, waterproof, and breathable shell alone. It's made from 100% recycled polyester fabric and will keep you dry all the way up through its stand-up collar and adjustable hood. If it's cold and sunny, lose the shell and wear the quilted liner. It's insulated with 100-gram thermogreen recycled polyester and has elastic cuffs to keep out the cold. And when Mother Nature unleashes her worst, zip the insulated liner into the shell to stay warm and dry. The full-length 2-way front zipper opens the parka from the top or bottom, so you can stay zipped up but make space for your legs during movement or sitting. And the Pine Bank's smooth taffeta lining will easily glide over a sweater or a fleece worn underneath. Don't be deceived by its streamlined appearance. Our new women's Pine Bank 3-in-1 parka has all the answers in inclement weather.